Hey guys, it's Miss Southern Belle back with a sandwich. I have a whole another one. It's with peanut butter, 2 slices of sunbeam bread, strawberries, which you can't see them, I just hold one up, sliced strawberries. And you remember those cookies I got at Kroger, the chocolate Oreo dark fudge cookies, chunked up. I don't like them mashed to pieces like paper. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take my peanut butter. This is really good for your diet. And I've been thinking about how this would taste. So, I don't know what it's going to taste like. You know me, I'm an experimenting with peanut butter stuff. Jiffy peanut butter. Okay. Since it's a little crunchy, I'm going to start off with my chocolate chips, the chocolate Oreo cookies. Okay. I'll put them in here on my sandwich. Now, I don't believe in overkill, you know, guys? Overkill takes the taste away from what you're really doing. Overkill of anything, you'll have more of a taste of something else than something else. So just don't do it overkill. See? This is a light kill. Okay, and all the strawberries, just cover them up. Cover up those cookies. This is fattening. And don't ask me how many calories is in this sandwich. Please don't ask me. Say, Miss Southern Belle, how many calories in that sandwich? Probably a whole lot. Okay. Now, look. Peanut butter, those fudge Oreo cookies, and strawberries. Now the test. Let me have more. Guys, you could put more chocolate if you wanted to. Yeah, more chocolate. OMG. Guys, it's delicious. But it's not a diet, okay? Look at that. Look at that. You know what I do when I eat this stuff late at night? I drink about 6 glasses of water to flush it out. No, I'm just kidding. But some people do that. Not bad. Not bad. It's tasty. And you too can create a peanut butter and strawberry fudge Oreo peanut butter sandwich. And nothing else. You could try something else. Guys, this was delicious. This was very good. It's not really that sweet. It's kind of there with a kick to sweetness, but it's not over sweet. Well, today I'm going to call this my get well sandwich to a friend of mine who's having surgery this week. Lot picking gal. This is my sandwich dedicated to you, and I hope you get to feeling better. She's going into surgery with her knees. So, if you guys don't have lot picking gal, you should get her. She rocking the world, rocking the YouTube world. These cookies. Get them. Make the sandwich. It's not too sweet, but if you eat the cookies alone, it's pretty sweet. This kind of just calms those cookies down. Gosh, guys. I'm going to finish this sandwich. This is my midnight snack to you guys. Have a great night. Have a great President Day tomorrow. No banks are going to be open and no post office will be running. Now, as far as the trash picking up, I have no idea. I went ahead and put that trash down there. Okay? Thanks for watching. Have a great evening. And this is Miss Southern Belle Says. Get out there and make a video, because everybody wants to see those videos, because people want to see your stuff, because you're beautiful, you're wonderful, you're fabulous, you're lovely, and lot picking gal, I hope you get better. Lot picking gal, get better. This is a get better song, and I make those video songs for all the YouTubers in the world. Have a great day. Bye.